warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Ratu Bebaresa, NPM 2341204. Today we will discuss about capital market and capital market development in Indonesia. The capital market play an important role in supporting economic growth by connecting investor with business and government that need funding. In this lesson, we will explore the development of Indonesia capital market in institution and in photoprofessional and regulation financial who. Let's begin. Capital market and capital market development in Indonesia. Uh, Indonesia capital market has experienced significant growth over the past decade from a relatively small market. It has evolved into one of the most important financial sectors in Southeast Asia. The capital market serves as a bridge between investors who have fund and companies of governance that require the capital for development and expansion. And next, the economy against the capital market is often called of economy again because it supports national development through the capital market. Company and governments can raise funds from investor interest of flowing loans on bank loans, and these funds are used to financial infrastructure projects such as road, port, and power plant and other strategic development. As more saving and transform into producing investment, then economy becomes strong and more sustainable. And next, legacy of growth. One indicator of Indonesia capital market development in the growth of the Jakarta Composite Index of GCE. Over the last 25 years, the index has experienced remarkable growth despite potential challenges, economic crisis, and global uncertainties. This demonstrates the treasury of Indonesia capital market. For long-term investors, the market provides significant opportunities and attractive return over time. And next, the institutional backbone. And Indonesia capital market is supported by several institutions. The first in Indonesia Stock Exchange or INDX, which is served as the primary marketplace for stock, bonds, and other securities. The second, the Financial Service Authority, known as OJK, which is regulates and supervises market activities. The third is KCI, which is as the Central Security Department sequester currency in electronic form. The fourth is KPI, which is manages clearing and settlement process with reduction transaction risk. Together, this institution is transfer market improvement. And next, modern market structure. Indonesia capital market has undergone major technological transformation. The market has moved from paper-based transaction to a fully digital and automated trading system. This transition has increased effectively speed and transparency. In addition, strong corporate governance practices and according through independent constitutional audit committees than real-time market surveillance. Their measures help build investor confidence and project market integrity. Expanding the toolbox. The Indonesia capital market offers various financial instruments. The first is equity, which is also interface become partner over the company to share. The second in the securities of corporate bonds and government bonds, which is providing funding for development projects. The third are innovation, including financial data and in the external interest, which is forced and financial in the activity. The go public momentum. In the recent year, Indonesia has experienced strong momentum in public listing. In the year 2023, we were seeing significant election to be reflected in share public offering or EPO activity. Many companies choose to raise capital through the stock market to support expansion and growth. At the same time, digital investment platforms have increased access for both retail and institutional investors. This trend reflects growing confidence in Indonesia capital market. In 2023 to 2027 road, the Study to Market voter OJK into the strategy roadmap for the platform from 2023 and 2027. The roadmap focuses on three key previously. The first in building the strong governance, transparency, and improvement. The second is expanding financial products, including the debenture and grant financial instruments. The third is improve financial literacy and internet public participation through education and digital access. Together, these initiatives aim to create deeper and more inclusive capital market. And next, post-pandemic growth Indonesia net strong and more diverse investor base. Historically, the market has been dominated by retail investors. However, further development also included greater participation for institutional investors such as pension funds, mutual funds, and insurance companies. At the same time, financial literacy program and influence the help individual make informed investment decisions. And education investor community contributes to market stability and long-term growth. The photo in public. Indonesia capital market law promising continue improving in transparency, governance, and market liquidity are expected to enter more domestic and international investors. As practices interest the market, the providing greater support for national economic development. Whatever, as investor, business owner, employee market, or stockholder are important role in shaping the future of Indonesia capital market. And the conclusion, this capital market in Equator Common Indonesia economic development, improvement funding for business and growth projects, encouraging investment and support long-term in economic growth. With strong education, modern technology, and conscious from Indonesia capital market has significant potential. Consider for further expansion. Thank you for watching this learning video. I hope this lesson help you understand the importance of capital market and trading development in Indonesia. See you in the next learning session. Goodbye and thank you for your watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.